Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into a cyber samurai warrior using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all guys, you're going to open a Pippit AI website. Then you're going to go to the home menu and don't forget to sign in to get free credits. And then I'm going to add my prompt here. You can use mine if you want. You can copy it. And I'm going to upload my photo. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna choose a random photo from my device. Hold on, I'm still looking for the photo. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. And I'm going to send the photo and also the prompt to the AI. And wait a minute. It's still processing. Okay, done for the cyber samurai warrior. And I'm going to choose one of them. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And then we can click on download here. And if you are not satisfied with the photo, you can regenerate it, guys, right here. And okay guys, that's how you can turn your photo into a cyber samurai warrior using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI journaling on my YouTube description and try to make any video or any photo as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching guys, and bye.